Welcome. In this video we will learn about Pandas Basics. Pandas is a high-level data manipulation tool developed by Wes McKinney. It is built on the NumPy package and its key data structure is called data frame. Data frame allows you to store and manipulate tabular data in rows of observations and columns of variables. We need to install the Pandas library first. Open the terminal, change the directory to desktop, install the Pandas library using command install pandas. You can see it's already installed. If not, it will start its installation. Let's see how pandas can be operated. Open the already written script for this. Open example pandas.py. I have a dictionary named dict. It contains the country. The keys are country, capital, area and population, and also mention its values. Import the panda package here. That is, import pandas as PD. It's a powerful data structure for data analysis, time series and statistics. Rename it as PD. That is, import panda as PD. Create one object called bricks and data frame for the dict values. That is, bricks equals to pd.dataframe dict. Data frames allow you to store and manipulate tabular data in rows of observation and columns of variables. Lastly, print the dictionary values. That is, print bricks. Let's move to the output now. Open the terminal, run the command as python example pandas.py. You can see that my random data is being aligned correctly. As you can see with the new bricks data frame, pandas has been assigned a key for each country as the numeric value 0 through 4. If you would like to have different index values, say the 2-letter country code, you can do that easily as well. So that's it in this videos on Pandas Basics. Thank you for watching this video.